Ever feel like your money just vanishes into thin air? You're not alone. We all struggle with budgeting, but what if there was a tool that could help you regain control of your finances? Today, we're diving deep into PocketGuard. Can you actually use this popular budgeting app for free? And if so, what are the limitations? PocketGuard has gained a lot of traction, promising to simplify your financial life. It automatically tracks your spending, categorizes transactions, and even provides personalized budgeting advice. Sounds amazing, right? But the big question is, can you truly enjoy all these features without paying a dime? The good news is, yes, you can absolutely use PocketGuard for free. You get access to core features like automatic spending tracking. The app connects to your bank accounts and credit cards, automatically pulling in your transaction history. Spending categorization. PocketGuard intelligently categorizes your expenses, like groceries, dining, and entertainment, to give you a clear picture of where your money is going. In-app budgeting. You can set basic spending limits and track your progress towards your financial goals. Insights and reports. The app provides simple visualizations of your spending habits, highlighting areas where you might be overspending. However, the free version does have some limitations. Limited budget customization. You can set basic budgets, but advanced features like custom budget categories and flexible budgeting rules are often reserved for premium subscribers. Reduced insights. While you get basic spending insights, premium users enjoy more in-depth analysis, including personalized financial advice and recommendations. Limited support. Free users may have limited access to customer support compared to premium subscribers. Ads. You might encounter occasional ads within the app. Despite these limitations, the free version of PocketGuard can still be incredibly valuable for many people. If you're just starting your budgeting journey, the free version provides a solid foundation. You can track your spending, identify areas for improvement, and develop healthy financial habits. However, if you're serious about taking control of your finances, you might want to consider upgrading to PocketGuard Plus. This paid subscription unlocks advanced features like unlimited budget categories, create custom budgets for specific goals, and track your progress more effectively. Advanced budgeting tools. Utilize flexible budgeting rules and set savings goals with ease. Prioritized customer support. Get faster and more personalized assistance from the PocketGuard team. Ad-free experience. Enjoy an uninterrupted budgeting experience without any distracting ads. Ultimately, whether or not the free version of PocketGuard is enough for you depends on your individual needs and financial goals. If you're looking for a simple and effective way to track your spending and gain a better understanding of your finances, the free version is an excellent starting point. However, if you're ready to take your budgeting to the next level and unlock more advanced features, upgrading to PocketGuard Plus might be a worthwhile investment. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.